Welcome to Shanti-Peace for Mathematics. In this video, we are talking about a Cardan's method to solve a cubic polynomial. As we know that if you have given a quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then to solve this quadratic equation, we have a formula for minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. But if you have given the quadratic equation like ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0, the question is, can we have a general formula to calculate the root of this equation like as we have into the quadratic equation? So Cardans have established this method to solve any quadratic equation in general method. That means any quadratic equation is given to you, and if you apply this method onto it, then you are able to find out what is the root of this equation. One of the ways is to by trial and error method. That means you can substitute some values of x here and check whether that is the root of the equation or not. So in this video lecture, we are talking about a Cardan's method which solve a cubic equation like this. So first step is to divide this equation by a. So if I dividing by a, we get this is x cube plus b by a, x square plus c by ax plus d by a equal to 0. And I may write this as b by a as lx square plus mx plus n equal to 0. Now in the next term, what we will do, we have to eliminate this coefficient of x square, or I want to remove the coefficient of x square, or I can say I want to remove a term x square from this cubic polynomial. So for that I am just substituting y equal to x minus minus of L by 3, which is same as I can substitute x is equal to y minus L by 3. So in place of x, I just substitute a new variable, that is y minus L by 3. Our original equation is x cube plus lx square plus mx plus n equal to 0. Now we have to substitute x is equal to y by L. So this is y minus L by 3 whole cube plus L into y minus L by 3 square plus m into y minus L by 3 plus n equal to 0. As we know, the expansion of a plus b whole cube will be a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So using this is y cube minus L cube by 27 minus 3 yl by 3 into a plus b, so it is y minus L by 3. Then this is L into y square minus 2y into L by 3 plus L square by 9 plus my minus ml by 3 plus n equal to 0. It is y cube. This minus L by 27 is a constant term, so I can write down that is later on. When you multiply, this 3 will be cancelled out here, and if I multiply this yl to this y, then it will be minus y square l, then minus minus become plus 3l square by yl square by 3. When you multiply this l, this is ly square minus 2y l square by 3 plus l cube by 9 plus my minus ml by 3 plus n, and the last term is minus L cube by 27 equal to 0. And then you can observe that this yl square term is cancelled out. So the rest of the terms is left with the y cube and then some coefficient of y plus constant term. And whatever the coefficient of y is there, I will denote it as p, and the constant term I can denote it as q. So finally what we got, it is equation in the terms of y cube plus py plus q equal to 0. So if you want to solve the original equation that is, I can call it, that is equation 1. It is equivalent to solve the equation number 2. If I call this is equation 2, and it is equivalent to solve this equation number 1. So to solve equation 2, we put y is equal to u plus v. And if I do the cube of this both sides, then according to the a plus b cube, it is u cube plus v cube plus 3uv into u plus v, we will have. And so this is, we can write down as u cube plus v cube plus 3uv into y. Hence we can have this is as y cube minus 3uv y minus u cube plus v cube equal to 0. And if I call this is as equation 3, since equation 2 and equation 3 are the same, and if we compare the coefficient, so comparing 2 and 3, we get p equal to minus u 3uv and q equal to, so we have u equal to minus u cube minus v cube. So from this we can have u cube, if I do the cube both sides, you will have u cube plus u cube into v cube is p cube upon 27 minus, and u cube plus v cube is minus u. Now, as we know that if alpha and beta are the roots of some polynomial, then that polynomial can be written as x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. In the same manner, if I want to write down the u cube and v cube are the roots of equation, that is t square plus u cube t square minus u cube plus v cube into t plus u cube plus e cube into v cube equal to 0. So therefore this is t square and u cube plus v cube is minus q, so that is plus q t, and u cube into v cube is minus p cube by 27 equal to 0. This is the quadratic polynomial we have, and we know that how to solve this quadratic polynomial by the minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a, we can able to solve that. So which gives u cube equal to 1 by 2 minus b, that is the value of b is q here, so it is minus q plus or minus b square is q square minus 4a, a is 1 and c is p cube by 27, so that is minus minus plus p cube by 27 upon 2a, that 2 is already written, and I will call this as lambda cube, let's say. And v cube you will have in the similar manner 1 by 2 minus q, if I have plus sign here, then this will be minus q square plus 4 p cube by 27. So this u cube equal to lambda cube will have 3 roots, and we know that by cube root of unity we can able to solve this. So therefore this root, the 3 roots of u are, let's say it is lambda omega and lambda omega square. These are the cube root of unity, where omega is one of the imaginary root, cube root of unity, and from this u into v is equal to minus p by 3. We'll have v equal to minus p by 3u. When u, the value of u we have calculated as lambda omega and lambda omega square, we'll have minus p upon 3 lambda, minus p omega square upon 3 lambda, and minus p omega square upon 3 lambda, because the value of u is lambda that we have, so we'll substitute that value, and from this u and v we will have the root of the equation 2, which we can observe that we have assumed the root of equation 2 is y equal to u plus v. So the root of this equation 2 is u plus v, which we have calculated the value of u and v both. So hence the root of equation 2 are u plus v, that is lambda minus p by 3 lambda, lambda omega minus p omega square by 3 lambda, and lambda omega square minus p omega by 3 lambda. And if you know this y, this is the root of the equation 2, and the relation gives you the root of equation 1 by taking x is equal to y minus L by 3. So if this is the value of y, and from this if you subtract L by 3 from this one, you will have your value of x. And so in this manner you can have the value or root of the given equation. And this method is known as the Cardan's method. Let us try to solve certain examples based on this method, and let's do that. So the question is to solve the roots of this equation 18x square minus 9x square plus 1 equal to 0 using Cardan's method. So first of all, in this the terms of x is missing. So for that we have to convert this equation by replacing x by 1 by y. So what will happen if I replace this? We will have the equation y cube, because this is 28 into 1 by y cube minus 9 1 by y square plus 1 equal to 0. So if I take the y cube as LCM, we will have y cube, that is the first term. When you multiply this is minus 9y plus 28 equal to 0. Now what will happen in this equation? There is no term of y square is there. So we are into the previous situation, we are at the equation number 2. Directly we reach to the equation number 2. Otherwise what will happen? We have to do first, we have to eliminate this term which is having the x square term, and then we can go further. So by just replacing this one step, that is by replacing x by 1 by y, we can have this as a equation. So as per the Cardan's method, we have to put y equal to u plus v into this equation. And once we have assumed this is as a one root, this, if I do this cube both side, we'll have y cube u plus v cube, which is gives you u cube plus v cube plus 3uv into u plus v, and hence this will gives you u cube minus 3uv y minus u cube plus v cube equal to 0. And if I call this as equation number 2, and this will your equation number 1, comparing 1 and 2, we get 3uv equal to, that is minus 3uv equal to minus 9. So that's why 3uv equal to 9, and u cube plus v cube minus u cube plus v cube is, as per this, is 28. So this is minus 28, and this will gives you uv will be 3, and the root which having the u cube v cube as a root is t square minus u cube plus v cube t plus u cube into v cube equal to 0. So this will be gives you t square plus 28t plus 27 equal to 0. And we know that this is the quadratic polynomial will have two factor, that is t square plus 27t plus t plus 27 equal to 0. So the 1 is common out, so it is t plus 1 into t plus 27 equal to 0. So therefore this will gives you t equal to minus 1 and t equal to minus 27. Once you will have the value of t, that means you will have the value of u cube, which is, I can call it minus 1, and you will have the value of v cube, which I can call it as 27. So this will gives you u is minus 1 and this will gives you v is minus 3. And as per the rule, u plus v equal to, that is minus 1 minus 3, which is minus 4, is the one of the root is there. And we have one root of equation number 1. So that's why we just factorize now we'll factorize that when divide by y plus 4 to that polynomial, because y equal to minus 4 is one of the roots. So if I divide this polynomial by y plus 4, then we will have the another roots. Ultimately we have to calculate the another root. So the y square you multiply, this will be y cube plus 4y square, and if I subtract this is minus 4y square minus 9y plus 28, and if I multiply by minus 4y, then this is minus 4y square minus 16y. So this will be plus, this is also plus, this will cancel out, this is 20. This will give you 7y plus 28, and if I multiply by 7, then this is 7y plus 28, and if I subtract, this will be 0. So therefore this y cube minus 9y plus 28 is represented as y plus 4 into y square minus 4y plus 7. And you can factorize further this to this y square minus 7y plus, so I need to calculate what is the root of this, that by minus b square minus 4ac we will have, this is y equal to minus b, that is plus 4 plus or minus b square, that is 16 minus 4 into 7 upon 2. So this is 4 plus or minus 27, 28, 16 minus 28 will gives you 12 by 2. So this is minus 12 by 2, so that is 12i by 2. If you can take common 4 from the numerator, and hence the three roots which we got for the equation 1 are minus 4, 2 plus or minus 2i, and our original equation, that is equation number 1, is by replacing, we got by replacing x by 1 upon y. Hence the root of the original equation are minus 1 by 4, 1 upon 2 plus or minus I root 3, and which can be write down in the form of a plus b, then it is 2 plus or minus I root 3 by 7. Let's do the one more example. Let us solve this example, that is x cube plus x square minus 16x plus 20 equal to 0. Now here, if you want to apply the Cardan's method, we have to first eliminate these terms with having the x square. So we have to replace the y equal to x minus L by 3. But L, value of L is 1 here. So that means it is, we have to replace this y equal to x minus 1 by 3. And this 1 by 3 is in terms of fraction. So if you want to we don't want to deal with this fraction, we just multiply or replace first, or replace this by 3y. So first we'll, instead of doing this, we just do that by multiplying root by 3. So as we have to solve this equation by Cardan's method, we have to eliminate this term x square from this. To eliminate the terms x square, we have to replace this equation in this equation y equal to x minus L by 3. And here the value of L is 1, as you can see. And so this we have to replace by x by 1 minus 1 by 3. And this will make a very complicated calculation due to this fraction term. So it is better to, we are removing this fraction. Instead of that, if it is an integer, then it is easy to calculate. So for that, what I am replacing, x by 3. So that will give you x by 3 power cube plus x by 3 square minus 16 by x by 3 plus 20 equal to 0. And if you simplify this, this will give you x cube plus 27 is there. So 27 is an LCM. If you multiply by it, this is 3x square minus 16 into 9 will be that is 144x plus 20 into 27 will be 520 you will have. So in this equation now, this you can see that this is a coefficient of x square will be 3. So this now the value of L will be 3. So now I will replace x by y minus L by 3, which is y minus 3 by 3. which is y minus 1, into the equation 1. We will have, if I replace this, we will have y minus y 1 cube plus 3y minus 1 square minus 144y minus 1 plus 540 equal to 0. And if I simplify this, this is y cube plus 1 cube, that is 1, plus 3y square minus 3y square. This minus 3y into y minus 1 plus 3 into y square minus 2y plus 1 minus 144y plus 144 plus 540 equal to 0. And if you further simplify, this is y cube plus 1 minus 3y square plus 3y plus 3y square minus 6y plus 3 minus 144y plus 144 plus 540 equal to 0. And if you can just see that this 3y square will get cancelled out, and the terms of 3y will have, this is 3y, this is minus 3y and minus 144y. So you will have y cube minus 147y, and adding this constant terms, that is 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 144 148 plus 540, that is 686 is equal to 0. So this is the equation 2 we will have, and to solve this equation 2, which does not have the coefficient of x square, we'll just put y equal to a plus u plus v, which is by making a cube both sides. This is u cube plus v cube plus 3uv into u plus v, that is y cube minus 3uv y minus u cube plus v cube equal to 0. And if you compare this equation 3 and 2, you will have 3uv equal to minus 147, minus 3uv is equal to 147, and u cube plus v cube equal to minus 686. So you will have u cube equal to u into v is equal to 49. 147 divided by 3 will give you 49, and u cube plus v cube will give you minus 686. So if I do the cube of this, then it is u cube into v cube will be 149 is there. 149 cube is, I can say, 7 square power 3, which is 7 raised to 6. We'll deal with the 7 raised to 6 later on. Now, root of the equation, therefore u cube and v cube are the roots of the quadratic equation square plus 686t plus 343, 7 raised to 6 is equal to 0. So if you can see that this is t square plus 2 into 343 into t plus this is 343 raised to square equal to 0. So this will be gives you t plus 343 square equal to 0. So that will gives you t equal to 343. This is the one rule. That means u cube equal to v cube equal to minus 343, and that will give you u cube equal to v cube, or u equal to v, and 343 we know that it is a 7 cube, so that is 7. So the value of u and v is 7, and hence we will have the value of y, which is u plus v, which is minus 7 minus 7, which gives you minus 14. The root of the equation 2 is minus 14, and the root of equation 1 is related with x by replacing y minus 1. So we have to replace y by x plus 1. So the root of the equation 1 is x is equal to y minus 1, that is minus 14 minus 1, that is minus 15 is one of the root. So if you divide now x plus 15 to the equation, we will have that is x cube x plus 540. So if I multiply by 36 here, then this is 36 plus 540 and will gives you 0, and this x square minus 12 x plus 36 actually x minus 6 whole square. So the three roots of this equation will be 6, 6 and minus 15. And so the roots of our original equation which is given, which is this, which I can get by dividing the roots by x by 3. So hence the roots of the equation is 6 by 3, 6 by 3 and minus 15 by 3. So the roots are minus 2, 2 and minus 5. Let's solve one more example. The question is solve x cube minus 3x square plus 3 equal to 0. Here once again square term is there and its coefficient is 3. So if you better that you can replace y by y equal to x minus L by 3. So put y equal to x minus L by 3, that is x minus 3 by 3, which is x minus 1. You have to replace x is equal to y plus 1. So y plus 1 cube minus 3y plus 1 square plus 3 equal to 0. So that will gives you y cube plus 1 plus 3y square plus 3y minus 3y square minus 6y minus 3 plus 3 equal to 0. So this will simplify as y cube. Y square term is cancelled out. This is minus 3y plus 3 will be get cancelled and plus 1 equal to 0. The root of this equation, that is y cube plus 3y, to solve this one we have to replace y equal to u plus v. So you will have y cube minus 3uvy minus u cube plus v cube equal to 0. As in the previous two examples, we have already discussed how this came, and by comparing this equation 2 and this equation 1, we will have minus 3uv equal to minus 3 and u cube plus v cube equal to minus 1. So uv is 1 and u cube plus v cube is minus 1. So u cube into v cube is also 1. So the root of equation u cube and v cube are the roots of equation t square plus t plus 1 equal to 0. Due to this u cube plus v cube is minus 1 and u cube into v cube is 1. The root of these equations are, that is u cube equal to minus b, that is plus or minus b square, that is 1 minus 4a, a is 1, b is 1, also a and b all of them are 1 upon 2. So this will gives you minus 1 plus or minus square root of 3i upon 2. So this is the value of u if I can consider only plus sign, or v cube is minus 1 minus root 3 by I 2i. Since from this you will have the value of u which is 1 plus root 3i by 2 raised to 1 by 3, and by converting this into the polar coordinates, means by replacing r cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2, because this is the real part of this, and r sin theta will be root 3 by 2, which is the imaginary part of this, which we can write down as r cos theta plus I r sin theta raised to 1 by 3. And if you can solve this one, r square will be cos square plus sin square, which will gives you 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, which is having the 1. And since your cos theta is minus and sin theta is plus, this quantity, it is in sin, cos is positive, so it is all STC. It is in fourth quadrant, sorry, it is in second quadrant, and it is 1 by 2, so it is the value we will have, it is 2 pi by 3. So this value I can write down, it is r theta plus theta is 2 pi by 3, theta plus r is 1, so that's why we can write cos theta plus 2 and let me write down you will have u equal to r is 1 into cos theta plus 2n pi plus I sin theta plus 2n pi raised to 1 by 3. Using the De Morgan's theorem, we can have the three roots, that is u equal to cos theta plus 2n pi by 3 plus I sin theta plus 2n pi by 3. And as you have theta, which is 2 pi by 3, we will have the three roots. That means this is true for n equal to 0, 1 and 2. So we'll have, there are three roots, that is cos theta by 3 plus I sin theta by 3. That is for n equal to 0 we have this. For n equal to 1 it is theta plus 2 pi by 3 plus I sin theta plus 2 pi by 3. And the third roots is cos theta plus 4 pi by 3 plus I sin theta plus 4 pi by 3. These are the three roots you will have. That means the value of theta, which we already have, it is 2 pi by 3. We can substitute here. So, and cos theta plus I sin theta, I can just write down in the short, it is cis theta. So this is a short form to write down whole thing. It is a cis theta by 3. Same way, this is cis theta plus 2 pi by 3 and so on. So don't want to write down all the expressions. So it is in short, you can write this is cis pi by 9, cis 8 pi by 9, cis 10 pi by 9. These are the value of u, and value of v are cis minus 2 pi by 9, cis minus 8 pi by 9 and cis 14 pi by 9. Now we have to find out what is the value of y, which is u plus v, and you can say that this is cos theta plus I sin theta, and this is cos of minus theta plus I sin minus theta. If I can add them, then cos theta is even function. So cos of minus theta will be the same as cos theta, and cos of sin minus theta will be minus sin theta. So if I can do that addition of this two, will get cancelled out, and you will have the cos 2 theta. 2 cos theta is the answer. So the y, the value of y, by adding these two roots, we'll have cis, sorry, not cis, but it is now cos 2 pi by 9 2 times cos 8 pi by 9 and 2 times cos 14 pi by 9 are the roots. And original root is, by replacing x is equal to 1 plus y. So hence the root of the given equations are 1 plus cos 2 pi by 9, 1 plus 2 cos 8 pi by 9 and 1 plus 2 cos 14 pi by 9 are the roots of the given polynomial we can have. That's it for this video. If you like this video, please press the like button. If you have any comment, suggestion or question, can you put down in the comment box below. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye, sayonara.